This is Rockin' Robin, and now we're going to go on the Jingle Cruise, formerly known as the Jungle Cruise, but since it's the holidays, it's the Jingle Cruise.
My name is Tucker, and I'll be your guide today here on Jingle Cruise. Now, we are on the Amazon River, and on the Amazon it snows 365 days a year. Yeah. If I've done my math correctly, that is every other day. Every other day. That's close? Yes. Now, up here around the corner is Inspiration Falls. You can kind of hear it right now. Now, you might be wondering, why do we call it that? Well, we call it that because it inspires you to go. Yeah, go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Can I get an ooh? Now, there was supposed to be a big Christmas party up here on the beach. You know, lots of gifts for the children and everything. But I don't see anything up there. Canoe? Cannot. I'm over one on my surprises today, but don't worry. I've got another one over here in this pear tree I think you're all going to really like. Can we see it? That's pretty cool, right? No, that's not. That was supposed to be a partridge. What's that? At least the tree looks nice wrapped in a boa, right? Oh, no. I don't think we're going to be able to stop by. You know, but at least they made that Christmas wreath out of shotgun shells. Yeah, I hear those are a blast to make. And now we are turning down the Nile because it's too loud. Yeah, you know, joke might be too deep for some people. It's okay. Up in here, we have an African elephant. Now, African elephants are very rare out in the wild. So take all the pictures of it that you can, because you'll never see another one again, I promise. Never again. This is once in a lifetime. Once in a lifetime. Oh my gosh, guys, it's a Christmas miracle. Look, there's another one. You hear me? This is why you never give a rhino a fruitcake. Never give a rhino a fruitcake, okay?
I get the point.
You get the... I'm not going to help them, though. They need to learn their lesson. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Lead. Oh, sir, back there, you're leading the wrong way. No, that's the wrong way. You don't like my gift? Looks like we found ourselves a pool of hippos. All right, we need to be careful, guys. They are territorial. They've been known to charge boats. In fact, last week we lost 6 boats. 6. Yeah. 5 of them were mine. Okay? Hey, let's stop living in the past, okay? All right? I think we can make it through, right? I'm not going to lose 6. I can't lose 6. We have to stay on an even number. 5 seems fine to me. No. It's an ambush. It's an ambush. Women and children, stand up. Men, get down. Now we're on the Mekong River in Cambodia. Many great temples were built on this river. This one looks damaged and dangerous. Should we go in?
Yeah!
Why not, right? Yeah. You back there in the red. Yes, you were in charge. Okay. Everyone, he's in charge. Remember that. And what, you're going to take us all out to lunch after this too? Is that what I heard? What you're going to pay? They all have their trunks on. Now, I've been told they want to shower us with gifts this year. Don't know what that means, but it can only be good, right? Right? Oh, man. I hope I get a bite. Oh, wait a minute. No. They have a different type of shower in mind. Oh, no. Oh, dearie dear. Oh, that looks cold. Oh, no. Coming up is my pal Trader Sam. Sam is the first person in his tribe to go to college. Yeah, he got kicked out for buttering up his professors. One time I said, Sam, your wife makes a mean stew. He said, yeah, but I miss her. Yeah. I told him I couldn't stand his brother. He told me, pick around and eat the noodles. Don't ever invite him to a Christmas potluck. He will just bring the whole family. Thinking of that, he had a dinner party last week. Yeah, all I got was a cold shoulder and finger food. But that's my fault. I showed up late. That is on me. If you just eat vegetables, they call you a vegetarian. We call Sam a humanitarian.
Yeah.
All right, that's the last one.